Today I'll show you how to create a talking avatar using your own AI character for free by following these quick and easy steps.
Step 1. We will create an avatar using Leonardo AI. It's completely free. Click Launch App, sign up if you haven't already, and click here. You can choose from an avatar you like or create one of your own. Go to AI image generation and enter your prompt. Describe the look of the avatar you want and generate. You can also use the prompt I used, it is in the description. Let's download our image. Right-click and save it. Step 2. Now all we have to do is head over to Agent through the link in the description. Click Create Video. Go to Avatar. This is the avatar library where you can choose from the available ones that are here, but I will use the one I generated. So click My Avatar and then upload a front face image. It allows you to sign up. After signing in, upload the pic and it will pop up right here. Select it and now we can start editing. If you want an AI voice, type in your script here and choose your preferred voice. If you would like to add your own voiceover, go to Audio Script and simply upload it here. Once you are happy with the edit, submit it. It is now generating the video. Once done, we'll download it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.
Do check out this video where I cover how to create consistent images using Leonardo AI. See you in the next one.